Hello drone fans and welcome at Test and Review. Today I want to share a couple of insights about this beast of a machine. I'm kidding, this is one of the most basic DJI drones that one can buy these days, the DJI Flip, which I own for almost half a year or probably a bit longer than that. And today I want to share three main reasons why I might be selling this drone very soon. So first of all, the release of the new Mini Pro drone from DJI. This was a huge news in the drone world. It's an awesome drone with 1-inch sensor. The Mini 5 Pro is a real breakthrough in the compact size drone, so that is something I'm consider buying, the Mini 5 Pro, which is an amazing drone. I've watched a lot of reviews. I still haven't tested it, but at least on paper the Mini Pro, the latest version, is awesome with the 1-inch sensor, with the extended battery life and flight controls. It is just one very good drone. Another thing which is an issue directly with this drone in particular, something that I experienced a couple of times is when I'm recording 4K videos or Full HD videos, it doesn't matter. Couple of times I lost the drone even though I was quite close to it, and there weren't huge obstacles. There might be some buildings around, but it was a mostly area where signal wasn't really disrupted. And with my previous drones, I have Mavics and other drones, Mini 4 Pro and other drones that I have tested, I have never been more insecure about the range that I'm getting with my drone. It is lovely that it's 249 grams, it can record 4K, and it has this awesome propeller guard, but range is something very important for me, and this is a real deal breaker for me to keep this drone, even though it performs pretty well for photos, for videos, for occasional shootings. It does the job nicely, but this is a huge issue for me. The third thing is I would like improved performance. Even though this compact drone can record 4K, has multiple options, recording options, it is quite limited compared to other drones that I had. Most of them were DJI, and this is to be honest quite limited. I already mentioned the Mini 5 Pro, which has the bigger 1-inch sensor, which is a huge improvement in the quality. Also the obstacle sensing, it's quite limited. Thanks God it has the propeller guards, but in general I would like some improved performance, and that's the third reason why I might be selling the Flip very soon. I would love to hear your opinion and feedback about what I just said. Please drop me comments below. If I might be wrong for some of the things, I might be doing something wrong to get these range problems. If you experience something similar, please share with me. I would love to hear your feedback as well. If not, check my channel for the rest of the interesting videos that I have. Stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys, and see you later.